So last week I was out in the shop with a buddy of mine named Craig McCormick. He and I race cars together on track, and we also build robots together. Craig asked me, so why is it everybody's wearing red at ARC Specialties and all the machines are painted blue? Well, you have to rewind back to 1974 when I was a youngster racing motocross on a Hodaka Super Rat. Around that time, Honda only built four-strokes, but they got tired of being beat, so they invented the two-stroke Honda Elsinore. To advertise this Elsinore, they hired Steve McQueen, because Steve's an actual motocross racer who used to race under the pseudonym Harvey Mushman, so he could race without people knowing who he was. They put him in all the advertisements, and I remembered one of the articles about the Honda Elsinore was an explanation of why it was painted red. Honda did a study and they determined that the color that looks best when it's dirty is red. So when I started ARC Specialties in 1983, I knew I was going to get dirty. So I decided the color for all our shirts should be red. Fast forward 40 years and nothing has changed. We're still getting dirty and we're still wearing red. So why are the machines blue? Well, if you look at the paint chip, it's actually safety blue because this sets the tone for our machine philosophy. We follow RIA safety practices and we do risk analysis on all of our machines. This attitude and all the effort has paid off over the last 40 years. We're proud of our safety record and we're proud of our safety culture. So when you see guys in red shirts installing safety blue machines in your shop, you can rest assured you're getting safe and efficient automated manufacturing systems. ARC Specialties thrives on problems. Send us yours.